Hey guys, it's Bobby Legs, and welcome to another episode of Bobby Legs Loves Watches. And today I have an unexpected unboxing, or unplanned. I really wasn't going to do an unboxing for these two items, um, but they came on the same day, and I figured, just why not? And so, and you'll see what I mean by as I unbox them, and I'll just talk about them briefly. So this one here, my buddy Michael lent in the Mudmaster, G-Shock Mudmaster, and I think, well, you guys probably know that the review is out. I put it out this morning, and so I liked the watch so much that I actually bought it. And so I didn't buy it, directly from Casio, from the G-Shock website. I bought it off of, if you guys are not aware, and I hope I get the channel name right, G-Shock Go. I believe that's the name of the YouTube channel, and I'll put a link in the description. I apologize if I got it wrong, but I'll be correct in the description. Anyway, he does awesome reviews on G-Shocks, and then every once in a while he does like a sale, and it's mostly like, okay, some of them watches are pre-owned, um, but a lot of them are barely worn or unworn. So this one did not come with a box, and obviously, there's a huge discount in some of these watches if you get the right one, and it did have the tags, he said. So I got the Mudmaster. Yeah, let's take a look here. Oh, yeah. All right. Awesome. Okay. Yeah, I guess this is the one I got. I thought I got the old black. Whatever. It's cool. I'm pretty cool. I'm pretty good with it. This is not the one I think I wanted, but maybe there was a miscommunication. Anyway, it's really cool, and I'll probably just keep it anyway, because I did like the sizing of it. Um, this is probably the same exact one that I wanted. I mean, I don't know. It was a few days ago, so um, and I was just like crazy. I was like, oh man, this is incredible price, and it's brand spanking new. Just doesn't have the box with it. Um, and then let's fit it on here. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I mean, it's huge. I mean, it's huge. But whatever. I really like it. I actually do really like it. Yeah. Okay. Awesome. All right. And then this one. So this is not a watch. This is a knife, and I'm. I don't know. I think I'm starting to collect knives. This is the third knife that I bought in probably 2 months, and I blame my buddy Dirk Werning for that. And I'll put a link uh, to the description. But I know nothing of knives, so I'm basically buying knives based on if I think they're cool or looking or not, and based on the price. And this is the Kizer Vanguard Sheepdog, and I just thought it was such a rad looking knife. So I don't know. Um, oh yeah, there it is. Oh man. Now this is a funky looking knife. I mean, I don't know. I mean, to me, it's funky. Let's take a look at it. Oh, it's it's kind of hard. All right, let's see. Does this drop shutty a little bit? Yeah, a little bit. I'm still not good at that. Let's see here. Oh, so pretty freaking cool. Um, Now let's see. On the videos of these guys do knives, they compare it to other knives. So this is a Civivi. Has Damascus seal. I forget the name of it. I'm so bad. I'm terrible, guys. Sorry. This is not going to be a knife review channel. Trust me. But look how cool. Now this has got a micarta handle here. And it's green, and the steel is like this. It's blacked out here. It's like stone. I guess stone washed black. I don't know. I don't know what the terms are, guys. So I apologize. But this is really, really boss. All right. Anyway, guys, thanks for hanging in there and this unboxing, this unplanned unboxing, and I will see you guys in the next video.